Day one, trail one. We are out here. This is life outdoors. This is life with
safety.
Life with safety. So you guys haven't seen him before. This is Jared's buddy Brennan, and he'll be giving you guys plenty of useful tips throughout. And then of course,
life indoors, everyone.
Life indoors is back.
Your favorite life door.
This is, what's this trail called? It's like the Waihee, the Wasissa. We're gonna hop on. Let's see this. I gotta pull the map up. What's up, big fella? Wow, look at the waterfall. How do we get over there? Wow. Oh God, yes it is. Left.
Oh, he missed! He missed it! OSU, let's go, baby.
Oh, never mind, we're not done. We gotta go all the way up there.
Oh.
Barstool, if we get him to get run over by that cow.
Will you post it?
Oh no, he's running. All right, guys, that is trail number one of, we don't know how many we're gonna do, but I'd say solid first trail. Took us about 2 hours, 15 minutes or so. These two made it, did a great job. One of the best hikes I've ever done. Like, the views were sick. So we are gonna go back, get some food now, get on the beach. Hopefully you enjoyed the drone shots, some of that footage, but appreciate you coming along for the ride.